Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate eggless cake. First, let's prepare our dry ingredients. Combine 1 and 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Add 1 and 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget a pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor. Sift these together thoroughly in a large bowl. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. In another bowl, whisk together 1 cup of plant-based milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. For an extra boost of flavor and moisture, add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix gently with a spatula until just combined, being careful not to overmix the batter. Now let's get ready to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare an 8-inch round cake pan by greasing it with butter or oil, and then dusting it lightly with flour or cocoa powder. This step ensures your cake won't stick. Pour the prepared batter evenly into the pan, smoothing the top with a spatula. Gently tap the pan on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. Finally, it's time to bake and cool your delicious cake. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. You'll know it's done when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. This ensures a perfectly moist and tender eggless chocolate cake, ready for your favorite frosting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.